grab the chocolate. Let's spread. Scoop, scoop. Spread, spread, spread. How many sides on our cake?
4.
Let's get all 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, smooth it out a little bit more. And everybody say, "Aw, it's so pretty." Oh, let's put some sprinkles on. Oh, what's missing?
Candles.
We need some candles. How old are you today?
4.
Did you go pick out 4 candles? Okay, she has 4 candles. Can everyone else stand up? Stand behind your letter. Right here. And you're there. Okay, and Miss Scarlett, could you light your candles, please? Oh, shh. She's lighting her candles. All right, let's sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Scarlett. Happy birthday to you. Blow your candles out. All right, let's give a for you pepper raise. Scarlett and Charlotte runs there all day long.
I get it.
She brought cupcakes to share with you, so as I touch you, you may go sit down and have some of Scarlett's special cupcakes. Could you take your candles with you first, please?